We have a beautiful Champion Western trailer by Buckman, a 2022 on the lot. It here is seen here with the dark blue metallic roof and front bow, small Andalusian horse on the side. This one we brought in with the rear door ramp combination. Easily convert from the rear ramp entry to a step up by the pull of a pin. We have a video on our YouTube channel. Check it out. See how simple it is. Two 31-inch wide stalls, but these are 4 inches shorter than the English version of the same model. This better accommodates quarter horses, Pasafinos, large ponies, medium breeds that are typically seen in the Western disciplines. 2 pop-out tinted windows. We have anodized aluminum wall paneling, seen here with both a kick plate on the bottom and a lovely foam side stall padding. Pop-out tinted windows, a place for your hay from the roof and on top of that saddle storage. A Western tack compartment ready for those 2 Western saddles, take you to the trails, cattle sorting, or any kind of barrel racing. This is the Champion R Western.